are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? What are you looking for?
Nothing.
Why?
I'm on Van Island. So I like to enter Bloomingdale's right on the 59th Street and Lexington Avenue corner. That entrance brings me right into this area that has a collection of a lot of the luxury brands and boutiques. It has Louis Vuitton, you can see Bottega Veneta, the Chanel boutique is here as well. So this is usually how I enter Bloomingdale so that I can stop by all of the designer houses. I stopped by Dior to see if they had any of the mini book totes, but they did not, and instead I'm checking out some of the hats.
So what did you see at Louis that you want?
The jungle print scarf. I'm thinking about it.
Thinking about it.
And all the
Why
Christmas
do you want
things
it?
are like impossible to get. With the illustration. So now I moved on to the 4th floor. This is where they have a lot of the designer ready-to-wear. You see there's the Chanel ready-to-wear boutique. They have Moncler. They have Giorgio Armani. So I'm just walking down the hallway so you can see what designer brands are available here. On the 2nd and 3rd floors, they also have a lot of other brands, but they tend to be more of the contemporary women's wear brands. The variation's a little too high. This is inside the Chanel fitting room. I'm about to share some items that I am trying on, but I thought I can give you a nice overview of one of the larger fitting rooms that I've been in. You know what the tag says?
What?
Chanel uniform. It's like a little robe, I guess, for when you're changing.
Mm-hmm.
So I will try on this fuzzy jacket. And this dress. Sweater dress is pretty. And this cardigan. Okay.
Oh, it looks like you're about to go skiing.
I think that's part of it. I think that's like part of the whole collection. The back is definitely cute. But kind of as I anticipated, I look like bigger than I actually am. Like it is a teddy bear like style. It looks. I look like I'm a bear, basically. Are these real pockets? The little
Oh yeah.
zip pull.
That detail.
Yeah, there's a lock and a key.
And look at the CC's going all the way down.
Yeah, the details are really cute. It's just...
Let's see the back. Yeah. Oh.
It's a pretty cute sweater dress.
Yeah.
I think I prefer it to fan out instead of do that. I think These are real pockets. It has like a whole, like knit, like a pattern knit throughout. But I like the buttons. I like the sparkly buttons. I think this is part of 19K. I think it's this neck. I'm never going to do these buttons up. Well, would I? I think it might actually look better with the buttons up. Don't know. And then, is this missing a button? Or is there a loop but no button? Okay. The back is just plain. It's a really pretty color though. It's from 19K. And then the buttons have these little lions on them. The turquoise is like that same kind of fuzzy teddy material. And I think the rest of this is just wool.
How those feel?
These feel good too, actually. Like they don't feel like they're big. Oh wait, maybe they're a little big. I know I didn't do them
So
all.
38.
Yeah, 38 would be a better size. I think so.
Yeah. You like it?
They're comfy. The only concern is because I own the other ones, I know they might get dirty.
What size is that?
38 and a half.
Are those comfy?
Yes, they are.
Let's see how those look. Yeah, I kind of see what you're saying. I like the
Yeah.
profile.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Like these are really
Let me
like
see the other side. The other side. The other side. Yeah. I feel like that one's gonna hold its integrity better.
They're both like super, super soft.
Mm-hmm.
And they're gorgeous because of that. But I think it's because this one isn't a pointed toe. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am sharing what I picked up from my recent trip to Bloomingdale's. I did something a little different this time around and I tried to film a bit of me out and about in New York City, particularly at Bloomingdale, so I hope you enjoyed that part of the video. I thought it would be just fun to share what I picked up. I didn't pick up a lot on that trip. I was more in a browsing mood than I was in a like full-on shopping mood. But I did pick something up and it was an amazing deal and everything, so I thought I would quickly share that. So from Bloomingdale's, I picked up something from Givenchy. This is my first Givenchy piece like ever. And you would have seen this in that like vlog part of the video. It comes with some extra heel tips and like a care booklet. And inside, I have these white boots. And like I mentioned, you would have seen me wear these or try these on. You can see it has a very interesting heel. It has like a G cut out and it's like a triangle tip at the bottom. And you can see there's like the sticker. I actually managed to snag these for like 60% off retail. They were also doing like a PowerPoints event, so it was like X dollars you spent, you got a Bloomingdale's like gift card, so that was handy as well. So these are the triangle booties. I think they are a pretty, either they're a classic style or they're a new style that came out with Givenchy this season. I found them on the website in black. I haven't seen them in white in a lot of places, but I'm really excited. I found these. They just look like they're just pretty plain, of course, with this heel detail. So just to share a little bit of my thought process of adding these booties to my collection. I know white booties or white boots in general are a huge trend this season. Because they are white and because I feel like they are a bit of a trend piece, I was leaning towards adding something from the high street instead of going down like a full luxury route. The maintenance on white shoes would be pretty high and I didn't want it to be like I spent, you know, $1,000 on a pair of boots that get destroyed literally the first time I wear them. So that's why I was leaning towards the high street. Now, when I was looking on the high street, I was looking at Zara, I was looking at some other like shops. I was even looking like on Amazon, you know, on the Amazon fashion side, just to see if I can find a pair in this silhouette that I like. And I was finding it really difficult to find one. I wanted one that was really simple, really plain, preferably with like a stiletto heel, but not too tall. A lot of them were like 4-inch heels and I can't do that. Or a lot of times they were like two-tone. So it was a white boot with like a wooden block heel, or it was a white boot like Chelsea style and the ribbed part was black. Like I just wanted the whole thing to be white with a heel that wasn't too tall and had a more of a pointy toe, not a square toe or round toe. So it was actually quite difficult to find something like that on the high street. You know, I was thinking, do I just settle for something that I think is reasonably close to what I want, or should I shell out for something more expensive? So I was umming and ahhing on what to do, and as you can tell from some of the vlog footage, I was looking at more lighter colored shoes in general, lighter colored boots, to see if any of those would really make my heart sing. The ones at Chanel were gorgeous. They were really buttery soft. They were really comfortable, but they were light colored, and I did feel like they weren't as hard wearing as I would like some of my shoes to be, especially my boots to be. For that price tag, I was like, I'm not in that kind of status where I can just buy those shoes willy-nilly. So I decided to pass on those. And so when I actually went over to the sale section, I was taking a browse. Most of the shoes were off season, so they were remaining stock of the like summer type shoes. And then there was literally just one of these there. And I was like, oh, I was looking for white boots. I liked the heel. Funny story, I saw the heel and I saw it was a G, and it didn't even cross my mind it could be Givenchy. I think because I was in the sale section, so I was like, is this like Guess? That was what I was thinking when I like peered inside to see what brand it was, and then I was actually shocked it was Givenchy. I tried them on, they fit. I liked the overall silhouette of them. It wasn't a stiletto heel, but in turn, it was an interesting heel that wasn't like black or too contrasting, and it was very, very comfortable. It was still more expensive than I really wanted to spend on the white booties, but it was a great deal compared to original retail. They are a pretty classic style, so I decided to add them to my collection. And I'm really excited to style them during the cooler months and see like what kind of outfits I can incorporate them into, so I'm really excited for that. If you want to see how I style these, or if you have any questions, I definitely check out my Instagram, and I will be posting my styling mod shots there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any feedback on
you know, how it was edited or anything like that, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video and you like shopping vlogs, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content, I post new videos every Sunday, so if you'd like to be one of the first to know, feel free to subscribe. So until next time, bye! Surprise! I'm back! I just wanted to remind everybody that my giveaway is still open. It is open until the 16th of November. So I will link that video up above here so that you can check out the details. I am enjoying reading all of your feedback and I love that folks are joining this community. So please check that out if you're interested. Okay, for real. Bye now.